Hi class! Today we are going to read Chapter 4 of Miss Porter is Out of Order. Chapter 4, Miss Porter Gets Real. We had fun with Miss Porter all day on Monday. When I woke up on Tuesday morning, I couldn't wait to go to school. I can't wait to go to school today, Mom, I shouted. Wait, what? My mom replied. Did you just say you want to go to school, AJ? Yeah, I said, I love school. My mom rushed to the medicine cabinet to check the thermometer. Are you feeling okay? She asked. When she got to my room, she put her hand on my forehead and held it there. Maybe you have a temperature. Well, of course I have a temperature. Doesn't everybody have a temperature? If we didn't have a temperature, we'd be dead. I'm fine, Mom, I told her before she stuck the thermometer in my mouth. We waited 1,100,000 seconds for the thermometer to beep. Finally, it did. My temperature was normal. Yay! I can go to school. I don't know, AJ, my mom said. Maybe you should stay home today. No, I shouted. I want to go to school. Please, please, please let me go to school. Mom looked at me like I had 3 heads. This was the first time in the history of the world that I said I wanted to go to school. I looked at my mom with puppy dog eyes. If you ever want something from grown-ups, look at them with puppy dog eyes. It works every time. That's the first rule of being a kid, you know. Okay, Mom finally said, you can go to school. Yay! When I got to school, Miss Porter was talking about palindromes. Those are words that are spelled the same way backward and forward, like mom and kayak. Race car is another one. Race car is another example of a palindrome, said Miss Porter. That's right, said Ryan. Race car is another word that is spelled the same way backwards and forwards. What's your favorite palindrome, Miss Porter? Asked Andrea. Go hang a salami, replied Miss Porter. I'm a lasagna hog. Wow, we all said, which is not only mom upside down, but is also a palindrome. What is the coolest palindrome in the history of palindromes? I said, and Miss Porter is the coolest teacher in the history of teachers, said Andrea. Thank you. I wish I knew what you looked like, said Emily. It would be nice to hear you and to see you. I can look like anything or anybody, said Miss Porter. Do you really want to see me? Yes, we all shouted. Okay, give me a few seconds to generate an image. The Miss Porter machine made some beeps and other weird noises. This is exciting, said Andrea, rubbing her hands together. What if Miss Porter is really weird looking? Asked Ryan. Yeah, I said, maybe it will look like a hideous monster with a disgusting face. Stop trying to scare Emily, said Andrea. I'm scared, Emily said, covering her eyes. I can't look. We were all on pins and needles. Well, not really. We were sitting on chairs. Sitting on pins and needles would have hurt. But we were all glued to our seats. Well, not exactly. Why would anybody glue themselves to a seat? How would you get the glue off of your pants? But it was really exciting. Miss Porter made a few more beeps and weird noises, and then slowly an image began to appear right before our eyes. It was just like a regular lady was standing right in front of us. It was amazing. You should have been there. Wow, we all said, which is a palindrome and also mom upside down. Miss Porter, you're pretty, said Andrea. You're beautiful, said Emily. Thank you very much, replied Miss Porter. You look so real, said Alexia. How did you do that? It was simple, said Miss Porter. I just blah, blah, analyzed millions of photos, blah, blah, holograph, blah, blah, 3D, blah, blah, to generate a perfect human duplicate, blah, blah, blah. So there's the Miss Porter machine, and this is her generated hologram. I had no idea what Miss Porter was talking about, but it was cool seeing an image of a human being standing right there in front of us. Can you move? I asked. Can you walk around and stuff? Walk around, said Miss Porter. I can dance. The image of Miss Porter started dancing around the room like a ballerina. Wow! That's when the weirdest thing in the history of the world happened. But I'm not going to tell you what it is. Okay, I'll tell you. But you have to read the next chapter, so na, boo, boo on you. Are you ready for the next chapter now? All right. Wait till the next day so we can read chapter 5 of Miss Porter is Out of Order, and it's called Boys. See you guys soon.